12 midnight last evening, I would say about 11:40 p.m., the police discovered that men were on the rooftop of the Huntsville lockup. They attempted to accost these men when one of the men opened fire at the police, and the police took the necessary evasive action, returned the fire, and at the end of the melee, it was discovered that one of two men was suffering from gunshot injuries. The other man escaped. We believe that this was an attempt by these culprits to introduce contraband to the lockups. We have noticed in recent times an increased discovery in contraband within our lockups. We do know that we have some vulnerabilities towards the rear of the premises, and as such, we have increased our presence, and so our increased patrolling of the space would have uncovered this attempt last night. Yes, a Glock 9mm was recovered from the deceased individual.